One of the biggest challenges namin sa mentorship is that bukod sa sobrang taas ng demand ng mga mentors sa mga clients nila, hindi na rin namin alam kung saan namin isisingit yung schedule ng mentorship program. And I really just have to be honest about this. Hindi po marketing pag sinabi namin mabilis mapuno yung mga classes. As a matter of fact, we're losing profit just because we wanna keep yung class as small as possible para mas matutukan yung mga mentees namin. Mapapansin nyo, itanong nyo sa mga mentees namin, hindi lumalampas ng napakaraming tao sa class because may 2 weeks siya na internship. And yung 2 weeks na internship, lahat yun iniisa-isa ng mga mentors. Lalo na si Edina, napakasipag niyang sagot sa mga questions. Naririnig niyo ba yung hilik ni Popski? Sorry na in advance. So yung class namin mag-o-open ng, na-move siya pala. Initially it was June 2, na-move siya to June 22nd. And ang daming nasa waitlist nito. So sila yung mga unang pwedeng mag-enroll. But if you guys wanna join, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko and then it will open our Gig Hub. Keep in mind sa Gig Hub, napakarami rin dyang free resources. I-check nyo na rin tong pinakang Gig Hub natin. Free resources, mga job posts. Anyway, what we're looking for is live mentorship class. Ito yung mga open classes namin. And you just have to click on 999 social media management and marketing with internship. It will open the form. Doon yun na makikita lahat ng detalye kung paano mag-enroll, paano mag-join. After ma-validate yung payment ninyo, you guys will be sent an onboarding kit. It's an online onboarding that you need to take as soon as possible. Sa part ng onboarding na yun, tuturo namin kung ano yung pinakang process. After that, you will get the calendar invite. So, saka lang kayo may schedule sa live training. And humabol na kayo guys because again, June 22nd yung class pero magte-take pa kayo ng onboarding. After nung live session, may 2 weeks na internship and then saka kayo magte-take ng final activity at saka application book at saka makaka-schedule ng one-on-one with me. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow from or work from home. Chase Miss Bye. Ay, teka, wait. Kung sa Instagram nyo pala mapanood to, ito yung i-click nyo. At pag hindi gumana yung Instagram at saka yung TikTok, punta na lang kayo dito sa Facebook page ko. Makikita nyo na dyan sa mismong video na to, yung sa caption, yung link to enroll. Ganon din naman sa YouTube, nasa description box lang. See you at the classroom. Bye!